Hello, are you parent of a student who is facing difficulty in learning maths? If yes, I want to share my experience about finding the difficulty in learning maths. See, I found two reasons why the students are finding difficulty in learning maths. See, the reason one is that the perception or the views of maths in our society. See, there is a belief in the society that maths is the difficult subject among all other subjects, especially in the high schools or in the school levels. See, these perceptions always we are giving to the students that it is a difficult subject, you have to practice more, you have to learn it very nicely. And the thing is, what we are giving to the students that yeah, you have to learn it in a different way than the other subjects because it is a difficult subject. So what we are giving to the students one views that it is the difficult subjects. We are not telling them that it is the easiest or it is easiest subjects than the other. So always we are giving to them one thing that it is a difficult subject, and that becomes one of the major obstacle in learning maths. Why? Because when they started doing maths or want to learn something about maths, the one thing always come in their mind is that okay, it is a difficult subject. Yeah. Then as they started thinking in their mind, or always it is in their mind that it is a difficult subject, so I also may not understand it easily, and that becomes one of the roadblocks in understanding maths. So I request all the parents or the peoples who are related with the students directly or indirectly, don't first of all don't share their own experience about maths to the students that it is difficult subject. And the second reason why they are finding difficult in learning maths is that uh, the way it is taught in our school or the curriculum. I'm not going to telling that our curriculum is bad, but the thing is that we are actually not giving them time to think how maths or how the things are or the sums are working. We are not giving time to think over the sums. See, we in our schools actually always try to cover our syllabus according to the time bound, and because of that, we or the teachers, they always in a hurry to complete the syllabus within the time bound, and that becomes one of the major reasons in learning maths. Why? See, for example, if one sum is given and we just showing that these are the steps and these are the process, you just remember the process and then finish. So here the problem is that we are not giving enough time. Why it happening? Why it? Why this sum is not in this way? And these things, no, we are not giving extra time to think over. Actually, the maths is what we should give them some time to think over maths or over the sums. Why this is happening this way? Why not that way? If we start giving them time to explore or think over the sums what we are teaching them, then slowly they will learn how to think over the maths or how to think over the sums. The thinking skills started developing. So I request all the parents or teachers who are teaching maths, let them explore maths. Let us give them some time in learning maths, and we can teach them how how it is how the things are working, instead of explaining the right process. It is not necessary that every time we have to show that this is the right process and you have to follow it. First we can tell them to explore why it is not that way, why it is that way. So if we start doing this way, the slowly the interest also will come, and they started thinking. The main aim of the math is what? We should able to develop the thinking skills for maths, or we should, the main aim is what? To develop the thinking. So I just request all the parents or the teachers who are related, just think about this what I said, and slowly and this finding difficulty in learning maths will reduce to some extent. So thank you for watching.